Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 5, Week 4, Day 2. Today is a review of some of the sounds. So remember, OW can say ow or O, but today we're doing ow. So I'll give you 3 seconds to read the word. 3, 2, 1, down. 3, 2, 1, out. 3, 2, 1, found. 3, 2, 1, bounce. 3, 2, 1, crown. 3, 2, 1, wow. 3, 2, 1, south. 3, 2, 1, mouse. 3, 2, 1, count. Okay, so we're going to be listening for sounds in a word at different points in the word. So for example, if I have the word out, what's the first sound you hear? If you said ow, you're right. If I have the word gown, the middle sound would be g-own, ow. And last of all, if I have the word cow, the last sound would be ow. So we're going to do some in the beginning, some in the middle, and some at the end. Okay, so we're listening for the beginning. Ouch, ow, aim, a, eat, e, out, ow. Okay, now we're listening for the middle sound. Crowd, crowd. So it'd be ow, meet, meet, e. South, south, ow. And late, late, a. This time we're listening for the end. Now, ow, how, ow, hi, I, go, O. Okay? Okay, so this is the cow card once again. OW says ow or O, but this week we're saying ow, and OU says ow. So we have OU as in sound, and OW as in now. Okay, here we go. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, blend. Pound. Word, pound. Ow. Word, oh, howl. Word, howl. Together, g, ow, n, gown. Okay, your turn. Together, count. Okay, let's read the first line together. Ow. Word, cow. Ow. Word, how. Out. Word, out. Now your turn. Word, owl. Sh, out. Word, shout. Your turn. Word, ground. Bull, ouse. Word, blouse. Your turn. Word, down. Brown. Word, brown. Now these last ones I'm going to let you do. Word, mouth. Word, scout. Word, crowd. Okay, let's blend it. Couch. Change the k to sol. Slouch. Change the sol to p. Pouch. Change the ch to nd. Pound. Change the p to round. Change the to sound. Change the s to ground. Change the to mound. Change the nd to th, mouth. Change the th to nt, mount. Change the to k, count. Get rid of the ch, cow. Change the k to n, now. Change the n to h, how. Change the h to what, wow. Change the what to pull, plow. Change the pull to burr, brow. Add a n, brown. Change the burr to cur, crown. Change the cur to down. And that's it for that. Here are our high frequency words. Okay, here we go. Color, 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 color. The color I like best is red. Early, 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 early. She woke up early. Instead. What do you want to do instead? Nothing. There is nothing to do while we wait. Oh, I did not see you. Thought. He thought we should eat lunch now. Okay, here is our story. Let's read it together. Let's help out. Here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. Your. 3, 2, 1. Many. 3, 2, 1. People. 3, 2, 1. Neighbor. 3, 2, 1. Does. 3, 2, 1. Can't. 3, 2, 1. There. Okay, here's the story. I'm going to let you go first, then we'll do it together. So let's help out. Your turn first. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. You can help out in your town in so many ways. Use your head and you can find the answer to many problems. Okay, your turn first. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. How about helping out in the park? You can pick up trash and sticks that are on the ground. A big crowd of helpers can do a big job. A clean park means a lot to people in your town. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. You can help out people in your town. If a neighbor is sick, a few minutes with that person means a lot. You might read to her or him. You might make a pretty get well card. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. Does a neighbor need help when it snows? The town's snowplow can't take care of all the snow. You can help by clearing up the snowy paths to the house. How can you help out in your town? There are many ways. Try just one. Okay, friends, so we've been talking about adjectives, and an adjective describes something or compares it. So his music is loud. Now, when I add ER, that means I'm comparing two things. So the music is loud, his music is louder. And then if I'm comparing three or more, I add est. But his music is loudest. Okay? So when we do this, so if I have the word cute, if it's comparing two, I'd say it is cuter, and then if I'm comparing three, I'd say it is cutest, the cutest. Okay, now this one's a little different because we're going to cross off the Y and put an I on both of these, okay? So dry, he is drier, that's 2. He is dryest, that's 3. But you see that we had to change the Y to an I. Okay, another one, big. We're going to add an extra G because otherwise the E can jump over and make it say I. It's not biger. So he is big, she is bigger, he is biggest, the biggest. Okay, so 3 or more. So if we're looking at this, we have proud. If I have two, I'd go prouder. Sharp, two. Sharper. Kind, comparing two people, kinder. High, comparing two people, higher. Nice, nicer. Funny, get rid of the the Y, cross off the Y, I-E-R, funnier. And sadder, you have to have two D's. Okay, sadder. Okay, so that's comparing two people or two things. Now this time, we're going to compare three. Okay, he is the proudest. EST means three or more. It is the sharpest. They are the kindest. It is the highest. It is the nicest. And cross off the Y, put an I, EST. It is the funniest thing. And another D, EST. It is the saddest. Okay? So remember, three or more, you add EST to the adjective. Okay, so the word this and that are also special adjectives. This is used when talking about a thing or person that is close by, like this caterpillar, or this mask. That is used when talking about a thing or person that is far away. So this tea is too hot to drink, so it's the one right by me. This is a thing that is close by. That owl flew into the park, so it's far away. So which one is far away? The owl is far away, that, and which one's close by? T, and we say this. So this and that show us how close or far something is, and they're called special adjectives. So let's look at this one. That ballpark is too far to walk to. Did you hear our special adjective? I'll read it one more time. That ballpark is too far to walk to. If you said that, that's correct. And that means it's far away. Okay, last one. This crown is mine, said the queen. Did you hear the special adjective? If you said this, you're right. This and that are special adjectives that describe where it is. Like it's either close or far away. Okay, bye everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.